am Heather Bellmeyer. I am the president and CEO of the Orange County Chamber of Commerce. Join me today as I take you on a tour of the 2021 New York International Air Show here at Orange County Airport. Let's go. Hey, so we just came upon Combined Insurance. They're here. They're members of the Orange County Chamber of Commerce. Let me introduce you to Pina Tondo. She is our district manager. Pina.
Hi, hello, hi Heather, hi everyone.
And this is Valerie Strickland, who is the senior account executive.
Hello everybody, nice to see you today.
So tell us, ladies, what do you hope to accomplish by being here at the New York International Air Show? Is there any specific audience that you would like to meet?
Actually, we are the #1 military-friendly employer for Combined Insurance and for the military. So we're the #1 employer. So we're trying to recruit some employers here. So recruit some military people here as well, as long as their spouses. Also, anyone that's looking for a change of career. And also, we're trying to insure people as well. You know, we're here to protect them, protect the loved ones, and hopefully, they can make this an awareness for other people that you can have supplement health insurance, Combined Insurance. We're #1 provider. So we just want to say, we're here to help and to provide a service.
Okay, thank you so much. And Valerie, what, besides health insurance, what else does Combined Insurance specialize in?
So we offer supplemental benefits, disability, accident insurance, life insurance is a big one, whole life and term we offer. And we like to spread awareness to the military community that they can get this coverage, because a lot of them think that because they get medical benefits, they can't get supplemental, but as long as they qualify health-wise, they can, and a lot of times they end up loving it.
So that's something most people don't realize. When you have insurance, what is the value of having supplemental insurance?
The value of having it pays on top of your additional benefits that you have. It's also tax-free, okay? And you can you can get it as self-pay, and we're also now doing payroll deduction. So we're a global company. We're the ones that pioneer supplement health insurance. So, and people should know that. So they're portable policies. You can take them anywhere you want. So as much as you want. Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for being here today, ladies. And you can find them by going to orangeny.com. They are in our membership directory.
All right, thanks, Heather. Thank you.
Thank you.
Enjoy the show.
All right. So while I was walking around the New York International Air Show, I ran into Robert Pagliaro, who is now with Legoland New York. Hi, Robert. How are you today?
Hi there. Nice to be here. I'm very well. Thank you.
Tell us about your new position at Legoland.
Great. So yeah, I'm head of outreach here at Legoland New York on the entertainments and events team, and we've had a great summer, and I'm looking forward to do more cool stuff in Orange County.
What do we have coming up soon at Legoland?
I would say Brick or Treat. Well, first of all, we want to close off the summer on a high note, but then Brick or Treat is something that's coming up in October, where you can kind of dress up and see the park in a nice fall festive setting.
Fabulous. Thanks so much, Robert.
Absolutely. Nice to see you guys.
You too. I'm here with Kyle. He is the VP of Sales for the New York International Air Show. Kyle, tell us, how hard was it transitioning from Stewart to the Orange County Airport?
Yeah, well, it was hard. Basically, there's a lot more pavement at Stewart Airport, but the problem is the parking is so spread out. And here we can confine everything to one general area. It's a little bit more of a boutique air show, a little smaller crowd, in a smaller environment, but this is what we had to do to pull off this event. And last year it was a drive-in format, and this year is a regular air show format.
Wonderful. And the feedback from the crowd last year was that it was very exciting. They were very happy to see that the county was able to do this. Is this something that you're hearing all over the country as well?
It is. Everywhere we go, we do shows all over the East Coast. So I guess right now the resounding impact is people are just thankful there's some events like this to do. So, and we see that in New York last year with the drive-in format, and again this with the regular format, but everywhere we go, people are excited to the glimpse of getting back to normal.
Your wish list for the future?
My wish list for the future, sold out crowds all the time, and I get a chance personally to come back here more often. I love it up here.
Hey, well, we have a sold out crowd this year, so Kyle got his wish. Thank you. I'm here with Dr. Gelman. She is the Department of Health Commissioner for the County of Orange. Dr. Gelman, thank you so much for being here with us today.
Absolutely. Good morning.
We are standing in front of a pop-up vaccination clinic that the county brought to the air show. Dr. Gelman, tell us about why you thought this was important to be here.
Well, County Executive Newhouse thought it was a great idea to have vaccine readily available for all individuals that are coming in. It's more convenient, and anyone who still wants to be vaccinated can be vaccinated here.
And what are we seeing as far as our numbers of vaccination?
Thankfully, since the Pfizer vaccine has been fully approved by the FDA, and unfortunately with the Delta variant now being prevalent, we are seeing more individuals presenting for vaccination, thankfully.
Great. And I know I listen to the county executives reports twice a week now, and it sounds like, we're in a good place, but people do need to focus on their safety. What do you think is maybe a hindrance to those that are not willing to come and take that step yet?
So there have been a number of questions that were brought up as far as vaccine hesitancy. Unfortunately, quite a few of them still circle around a tremendous amount of misinformation. And our Community Health Outreach Division at the Orange County Department of Health is truly working overtime to address a lot of the vaccine hesitancy, especially vaccine hesitancy centered around misinformation that's abundant and unfortunately fueled by a lot of the social media. We have had the CDC here briefly along with the New York State Department of Health a few weeks ago for a rapid community health assessment to address a lot of the issues circulating around vaccine hesitancy. So hopefully that will help to alleviate some of the concern on the part of the public and really help the public become safe and vaccinated.
I have to thank both you and County Executive Newhouse. I have not seen such a presence of safety and importance and education being presented in other counties, and I think you've really taken this so seriously, and it is just so impressive how you have been pressing the importance of education. So thank you so much for your commitment and dedication to the safety of this county. Is there anything else you want to share with us?
Please, if you haven't done so already, speak with your doctor and get vaccinated. Stay well.
Thank you, Dr. Gelman.
Thank you. Take care.
I'm here with Josiah Brown. He is here with the New York Best Experiences, also known as the New York Sherpa, and he is right next to us at the Orange County Tourism booth. Josiah, thank you for being with us today.
It's great to be here. Thank you for having me.
I'm so happy to be next to you again and to learn all about the great things going on in Orange County. Tell us about them.
Good to be here at the air show. I mean, it's obviously a really cool time for New York State and Orange County. I work all over New York State, but Orange County is kind of the focal point of the whole state right now with Legoland opening, which is going to be a complete game changer and economy changer through the power of tourism. Tourism is driving economies all over the country, so this has become a massive economy driver for us. We're super excited at a state level to be able to have Legoland here, and I'm from Orange County, so it feels special to be back here and being able to represent that.
And what else are we seeing as far as, Legoland is great, but as far as tourism, maybe like coming into the winter months, what can we expect?
Well, I think that what people want to look at for winter is that you've got craft beverages, right? Your agritourism has started to slow down, but craft beverages are still agritourism. So lots of, you can go to an inn, a bed and breakfast, you can have that cozy fireplace and a lot of the different places around the county, but also craft beverages. That's what I love to do in the wintertime, get out of the house, go get a beer, go get a cider, see some of these facilities. And then of course, you've got the downtowns to walk, or you got Mount Peter. So there's a lot to still do in the wintertime.
Great. Thank you so much, Josiah. I appreciate you joining us today.
Thank you.
I'm here with Jean Sexton. She is the branch manager for the Newburgh location of Walden Savings Bank. Welcome to the air show. She is the branch manager for the Newburgh and New Windsor locations of Walden Savings Bank. And Walden Savings Bank is a corporate partner to the Orange County Chamber of Commerce. Welcome today, Jean.
Thank you very much. It's my pleasure to be here.
Thank you. Jean, tell us about being a member of the Orange County Chamber of Commerce and what it means to Walden Savings Bank.
Well, Walden's always, our logo is your bank, our community. So we're very, very geared towards the community. So being a part of the chamber allows us to connect with not only the business community, but the local community with giving back and service. We actually have a group of them here today doing the admissions. So we're a whole horde of us here with the chamber as well as the air show for the Walden Savings Bank.
Thank you so much for being a huge supporter of the chamber and the community and for all that you do.
Thank you. My pleasure.
I'm here with Independent Helicopter's sister, Bridget. Heather is the owner of the company. She's flying around the friendly skies today. Bridget, thank you so much for being with us today.
Absolutely.
Independent Helicopters is a great supporter of the Chamber, member for many years, and actually they ran our ball drop for our golf outing. Bridget, what is it like being the sister of a pilot for a helicopter?
I'm just really proud of her, and she built it from $25. That's all she had, and now she has 8 helicopters, and she's been in business for 11 years, and she's just really impressive, and she inspires me every day. So
that's amazing. These stories and more when you listen to all of our chamber members and how they built their businesses. I'm here with Tanya. She's the marketing manager for Guardian Veterinary Services, a chamber member and new to the Middletown area. Tanya, welcome.
Welcome. Thank you so much. I'm so glad to be here.
Tanya, tell us about Guardian Veterinary Services and what you have to offer the community.
Absolutely. So Guardian Veterinary Emergency is located in Middletown, New York, off of 211, close to 17K there. And we are open weeknights from 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. and 24 hours on weekends and major holidays and for pet emergencies.
That's great because I'm a fur baby mommy, and there are times in the middle of the night when we need some help. So now this is not your only location, though. Is that correct?
Yes, it's correct. Yes. So we are also located in Brewster, New York. We have a specialty hospital there. We're open 24/7 for pet emergencies there, and we have most of the specialties care. So we have oncology, ophthalmology. We have a full service rehab center in our lower level, and then we have other specialties as well. So we're definitely available.
All right, thank you, Tanya. This is their first time to the air show, and we are excited to welcome them to Orange County. I'm joined by Amanda Dana. She is the Director of Tourism for Orange County and also the President of Hudson Valley Tourism. You have a big job.
Very big job, very big job. Happy to be here, though. It's so exciting to have all these people here in a safe environment and with tons of stuff going on, looking up. It's wonderful to be here.
Amanda, tell us what is happening in Orange County for tourism.
So there's a lot happening, and not just events like these. I like to start off with to say that events like these that really bring in a lot of economic activity are just wonderful. But not just events. There's also lots of great things going on with a lot of our attractions. Of course, I'd be remiss if I didn't mention Legoland, New York. They're really a big driver for the economy right now. People coming in here, so they're coming from Legoland. They came here, they found out about the air show, so they bought tickets today and they're here. So it was so good to hear. But not only that, we have great cultural attractions, Storm King Art Center, West Point football started, yay! And so all that's going on. So we have a lot going on here. And plus, I just sent some people to a brewery, so it's really going full circle. So it's a wonderful place to be.
And now we're really excited because we got to join Amanda with a partnership with the Orange County Film Association. And tell us a little bit about what we're doing.
So we thought it was a good idea to talk to the producers and the directors and the top talent and say, you're here filming in Orange County, why not come back to Orange County and spend some time with us? So we got together and we did a basket program where we were putting in little goodies from different companies and small businesses in Orange County, and we were handing it literally to the actors and directors and producers, and they're using their coupons and using their samples, and they're really getting to know Orange County, like a warm hug we gave them right when they came in. So they're really doing a great job with that. So thank you for that.
Well, we really appreciate it, and we love collaborating with you and your team, and you guys are all doing such a great work for Orange County, so thank you so much.
Thank you. Enjoy the day. Enjoy the day.
Thanks again for joining us today at the New York International Air Show here at Orange County Airport. I'm Heather Bellmeyer, the President and CEO of the Orange County Chamber of Commerce. I hope you enjoyed our tour today and meeting some of our members. We look forward to hosting you here next year. Join us for all of our events and upcoming member-supported activities at orangeny.com. And if you're a future member, we look forward to seeing you there as well.